I'm Chris.
I'm Kristen.
And welcome to Keto in the Country.
This is your channel for smart, healthy, whole food recipes.
I forgot what was.
If this sounds like a good idea to you.
So if that sounds like a great idea to you, be sure to like, subscribe, share our recipes, and if you want our recipes every time we put one out, hit that little bell beside the subscribe button.
Also, be sure to check out our website. It is up and running. We have our blogs on there, nutritional articles, and all of our recipes. And some that we haven't made videos on, so be sure to check that out. KetoInTheCountry.com.
And once again, if you make our recipes, what we haven't been telling them is where to send them.
Yes.
So if you're making our recipes, take a picture and send it to KetoInTheCountry01 at gmail.com. And we'll be sure to put it up on the video.
This recipe is our tried and true. Stick around to find out what it is. I'm so sorry. No! Oh my god. No, I'm so sorry. No, I'm so sorry. Look at it. I just bleh. So this recipe that we are making for you today is one of our tried and true.
And favorites. And I had to do it by myself. Kristen wasn't here, so forgive the lighting. This is what happens when we don't work as a team. Something is going to go wrong. Our taste test at the end will be Kristen coming in and finding the muffins.
Yes.
So that'll be the taste test. And so this is one of the first things I ever made as a keto baking
enthusiast.
It's the first thing I ever tried to bake when I was on keto.
Yeah.
And that's a berry muffin. You can use any berry.
Right.
We used blueberries. They're a little higher in carbs, but it's okay. They have a lot of fiber, antioxidants.
Exactly.
You can use raspberries,
blackberries if you want. So satisfying.
They are really good. The texture is perfect. Even though there's 4 eggs, it does not taste eggy. I promise you. This is just a great recipe to have around the house.
Yes. And one of the things I love about it, I've seen this in a lot of recipes we were just talking about in baking goods. Sometimes people incorporate apple cider vinegar, and we didn't really know why. But today I did a little bit of research, and I saw that it helps your body to absorb the minerals, and it also helps to cut the calories from the carbohydrates. Fascinating. Also, of course, helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. So,
okay.
But yeah, so I think that's why. So when you see maple syrup or something like that in a keto recipe, and then there's apple cider vinegar, that's probably why.
Okay. If you're new to keto, of course, we used almond flour because you don't want to use any type of wheat when you're doing keto because it causes massive inflammation.
Exactly.
And it interrupts your gut to brain, and that's what gives you that foggy, tired feeling.
Right.
So we used almond flour.
Yes. I love them anyway. You can put them just by themselves with butter, cream cheese.
Oh, cream cheese.
Oh my gosh. You guys have to try these. I mean, they're that good.
Okay, so we'll shut up and show you how to make them. it by myself, so I don't know what the video's gonna look like.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, taste one. I did taste one.
Okay, so many surprises. Oh my gosh, they look so moist. Was my first reaction. It's spilling everywhere. Oh my god. This is why I cover my mouth when I eat. These are insane.
Those are the best. Those are the best ones.
They're hands down the best ones yet. I don't know what's different about them. I'm sure I have blueberry juice all over my mouth. They're to die for.
Okay, and we hope you have a great week, and thank you for watching. One thing I wanted to say is...
Should I just shut up before I go so don't go anywhere? No, I didn't know what was happening. You want to...
No, that's perfect, but do it again because...
Oh my god, I know.
We can sit here for an hour if we have to. No, I'll act like a normal person.
No, this top is so cute. I like the edges.
Thank you. I like the bottom.
Yes. I just found pillowcases that have that on the edges and
Are you
on
saying I look like a pillowcase?
No.